We will now show you how to easily configure a measurement and capture measurement data. For this, we will need the current lab version of the PAK Capture app on the iPad. Our iPad is connected with the WLAN of the MicroQ. We have logged on to the MicroQ with the PAK Capture app with your chosen username and can now see the start page of the app with our MicroQ. We have connected a tri-axial accelerometer to the first connector on the first ICS module. This connector is then marked in color on the app. The connector is divided into 3 parts. Each part represents one channel divided into the 3 spatial directions, X, Y, and Z, of the accelerometer. If you tap on the connector, the configuration window of a channel opens. The selected channel is highlighted in green. If we want to configure another channel for a different direction, then simply tap on the desired connector part. In the configuration window, we can activate the channels, manually enter the sensor information, and assign position names. The configuration can automatically be read in from TED's sensors. We can see that, for example, the calibration factor, the sensor manufacturer, and the sensor description have been entered automatically. On the tab bars, we can check the modulation. If the modulation does not fit, we can also adjust the settings here again. If all is set, we change to the recording tab and press on the record button in order to start the measurement. Once the measurement is finished, we press on the stop button. In order to control the measurement, we take a look at the browser tab. Here you will find all saved measurements. We can see if a channel was overdriven, and we can display the time signal or listen to it. For app help functions, please look at the tab More.